Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to display products on your homepage in WooCommerce. Now before we begin, I'm gonna notify you that WooCommerce, in order to have a WooCommerce store in WordPress, you're gonna have to pay for a WordPress subscription that costs like $50. Now I don't have this subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally by telling you the instructions, and if you follow them, you're gonna be able to achieve and complete the task successfully. Now let's start by following these few steps together. The first step is to set a homepage shop for your shop. And to do that, just go to your settings, reading, and set the home page to display your shop page. Now you can do that by going to WordPress.com and accessing your account by entering your account's credentials and logging in. After logging in to your account's dashboard, go to WooCommerce here and you're gonna be able to see your store once you pay for a subscription and start a new store. Now for the second step is to customize homepage layouts. Use appearance and customize like this one right here to add product blocks like featured or sale products using widgets. For the third step is to use a page builder. For more control, use a page builder like Elementor to design your page with product grids. And that's it. That's how you show products on your WooCommerce page. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.